Here we are. One of the first things I like to do is on a new bike tonight, new to me, is check the old oil. Okay. First thing we see is there's a little oil in there, so it means it's got oil. Second thing we see is an oil filter. Nice thing to see. On it. Here. Like I said, oil filter coming out. You always want to see that. It's always nice if it's clean and you don't see any metal anywhere in there. Alright. And then, whoa, do I have any oil there? Let's see. No, let's see if the light on this thing will work. I don't think there's too much oil in there. Go down the bottom there. Well, yeah, there's only that much on there, and that's a big oil pan. I just went straight down. And you want 3/4, and he's talking about how she didn't like to run. She was getting a little hot. If you don't have enough oil in there, looks like right oil, but we got something on the end there. I don't know if that's sludge. Here, I'd have to just take that over someplace where I could look at it real quick. Okay, right over here. Put it down. Whoa! Look at that. Right there, that's what came out of it. That was on the end of the magnet. That's probably because it stuck it down in there. But yeah, well, that right there will make you run hot. That's why you should always flush out these motors. And it did start right up. It's just, you know, when you got a problem. And this is one of the first things I always do. Look in there. Hello. But yeah, it's not too bad. Nothing I can't deal with. Just pop that off, drain all the oil out, drain oil out of the bike. Do what I can to see what's going on there. There's that ultimate ignition. Let's see if I can get a little more light on the subject there. Can you see that? But yeah, it's in there. We'll see. We'll get her running. There's that S&S. Ooh, I don't mean to do that. But it's clean. It's a little leaky. I've seen worse on the inside. We got, main thing is that fuel line that runs through there. Look at that. See how that leaves? That's another thing could be screwing this thing up. Not when she got warm. Because if you look in there, can you see? Can you see what I see? Yeah, trying to get you in there. Right? I think you see better from the other side, but it looks like that covering on there is melted to the fins. It gets very hot in there. You don't want your fuel being that close. Here, let me run around the other side here. But then as you can see, I don't know if that's a bunch of dirt in there, because I only have two hands. One's doing light, one's doing the camera. Anyway, but this, for a Sportster, that should be really on the other side, the petcock. But you know, we can work with it. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll put another tank on it. But this is more of an up close look of what's going on. I'm just going to pull the plugs out do a quick compression test. The battery, it's a small battery, 350 cranking amps. Gotta do a little something, neaten that up, see what's done to the seat. It's a Mustang seat. That's a shame, but yeah, it's a comfortable seat though. Anyway, we'll run down. Got some wiring we gotta clean up, but I'll work on the compression test next. That ought to be good.